This tutorial is going to help us understand the light sensor a little bit better. And to do that, we're going to use a new option in the curriculum companion. So we've been in the movement tab and we've been in the sensing tab, but now we're going to go all the way over to the utility tab here. And I click on this and there's a bunch of stuff that you can try at some point. But I'm selecting the light sensor table here. And this is what it looks like, and you can see that there are different colored blocks in the starting area. So if I click on start here, this is what it looks like. I'm going to direct your attention down to the debugger windows. If this isn't popping up for you, you'd go to Robot and Debugger Windows. This may be grayed out and not available to you, and that means you need to actually download the program. Once you download the program, this should be available. And then I want sensors. So down here, we can see the values of our various sensors, and we're concerned with S3, the light. And right now, it looks like it's at a 37. Remember that white and bright things will generally give us big numbers like 70, 80, 90, whereas darker numbers will be smaller. But we're not sure exactly what those numbers are until we experiment with them. So I created a program. This is what it looks like. And really all it's doing is waiting for a second, then turning to the right. Notice that one of the motors is forward and one is in reverse. So we're going to spin. And then we're going to drive across these various colors and take a look at what the values are. So let's run the program. And right now, we're on that red, and you can see that even as the program started, it's reading red as 37. So we'll continue the program. Let's restart. Okay, so we're on red, we're 37. On blue, it's reading that as 34. And we're going to restart this one more time. So red is 37, blue is 34. Let's see what 0 is going to be. I'm sorry, black, it's 0. And now it's on white, and it's reading white at 89. So you can run this program on your own. It could be different from computer to computer. RobotC, the developers, actually put some error intentionally into the program so that it might not be the same every time, which would be more like real life. But it should be something like that. The white and brighter colors are going to be pretty high. Black is going to be low, near 0 or 0. And then the darker colors like blue was pretty low at 34. Red was a little bit higher at 39, I think. Let's look at red one last time. Red was 37. Blue was 34. So we got a little bit lower, and then we went way down to 0 there. Okay, so this was under utility, light sensor table. You can use this to take a look at what your light sensor values are, and that can help you write your programs accordingly.